Hey guys, this is David with Crazy Car Buyer. Bought this 2003 Dodge Ram 1500. If you like videos like this, like and subscribe our channel. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, all that good stuff. It's got a few little cosmetic damages to it, but overall, it's a good running little truck. I give $1,500 for it. This left rear tire was ripped off of it, so I had to replace the rear end on it. The guy broke the axle or whatever he done, but the previous owner did. But anyway, long story short, I replaced that. Overall, it cost $300 to do that. Me and my son did it. But it's a 2003 Dodge Ram. It's a four-door truck. Very nice little truck. Needs some cosmetic stuff done in the inside. These things are notorious about the dash cracking and breaking and all that good stuff. But like I said, I got $1,800 in it. If you like videos like this, like our videos, subscribe to our channel. I'll post these, every time I go to buy one or something like that, just to kind of give you an idea of what's out on the market. It's got a real cool engine in it. It's been modified a little bit, but overall this thing will run. Like I said, it's a 2003 Dodge 1500, and it'll do what you want it to do. Haul stuff, whatever. Like I said, needs some cosmetic work done on it, but overall it'll run. And for $1,500 plus a little bit to get the rear end fixed, another $300, so I got $1,800 in it. I'm happy with the truck. So anyway, like our video, subscribe to our video, share our video, help grow our channel. Thank you, appreciate it.